Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got two Agora mystery boxes to share with you. They're their treat boxes. So yeah, I wasn't expecting two. So if you're new to Agora, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in these boxes, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So I'm relatively new to the Agora app. It's only currently available for iPhone users, unfortunately. But it's all to do with beauty, everything beauty related. It's similar to YouTube in that you can create videos to do beauty reviews, but it's solely just beauty. Nothing else, just beauty. Or you can do just what I do and just shop the offers that they've got going. Now, as well as the videos of people reviewing products, which you can watch and then go on to purchase if you want to, they have monthly mystery edits. Now, you can purchase a skincare edit for £11.99 or a makeup edit for £12.99, and it changes monthly. If you haven't seen my Agora makeup mystery box unboxing, then I'll pop a link down in my description. My thoughts were a bit hit and miss. It's okay, but I'm intrigued in seeing what a skincare box is like, for instance. But as well as those boxes, they also sell makeup and skincare bundles. You are able to purchase bundles of products at a hugely discounted price. For every purchase you make, or for every review, etc. that you do, you receive credits. And also, when you sign up to an account, you have your own little code, so then you can pass the code on as a refer a friend code. That entitles your friend to receive 50 credits when they sign up, I think it is, and I receive 50 credits also. So since I did my video, 10 of you have used my code to create an account. So I had 500 credits in my account, which I'm really grateful for. Thank you so much. You can use them towards buying things for yourself. Now, they're called treats, and you can buy individual items like this Lord and Berry lipstick. 150 credits there. Or you could do what I've done, is use my 500 credits to get a mega treat. Want to get your hands on a mega treat worth up to £200 for free? All you have to do is earn 500 coins and you can receive a surprise collection of our favourite makeup and skincare products. It's as easy as inviting 10 friends to start sharing your referral code. Soon enough, you'll be looking at a box of treats worth anywhere between £30 and £200 delivered to your door for free. You can only redeem a mega treat once a month, okay? It's free. I didn't pay anything for it. Thanks to you lovely lot using my code to create an account for yourself, I was able to have these boxes. I wasn't expecting to, but I was able to have these boxes completely free. Say for instance, I used my 500 credits, or coins as they're known as, to get a mega treat box, and I got a box full of products that are worth £30. And then my friend did exactly the same, and she had like £180 worth of products. I know it's potluck, I know it's a mystery, but it does make you think, oh, really? The value of the boxes shouldn't be so wide, should they? But anyway, essentially it is a complete and utter freebie, but it's just a bit weird. That's all. That's all. So that's all it says. Doesn't tell you what the products are going to be. Nothing. So when I had these two boxes arrive this morning, I was like, huh, that's a bit odd. And then I opened them up and I'll show you what's inside. So the first box is a little card and it says, "Thank you, we hope you love this treat. Can't wait to see your take on Agora." It comes in this massive box, lots and lots of worms. The products are well protected, but it makes it look like you've got a lot more in there than what you have, but that's no reflection on the actual product. So that's the sneak peek. So I'll go through it one by one. So the first item is a facial radiance serum by the Lab Room. I've never heard of that before. This could be worth like £150 for all I know. Shall I go along? It doesn't look like you can get it in the UK unless you can purchase it on Amazon, but it has a value of around $52, which I don't know what that is in UK money. Around 40 odd pounds anyway. I've never heard of this brand, but if you've tried it or heard of this brand, please comment down below because I'd love to hear what you think of it. Cosmetics for body and soul. Welcome to our universe of aromas, textures and feelings, emotional cosmetics that will make your skin glow and your soul lift up. So it looks like there, and there's 30 mils there. I want to smell it. Lemony. Love lemon scents. Just a tiny bit on my hand. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. Yeah, it's just the lemons. I love citrus scents. As far as a facial oil goes, it feels quite nice on the hand. Yeah, my hand is quite dry around here from washing my hands a lot, but oh, I do love the smell. So I've got a facial oil by, what's this called again? The Lab Room. Next I got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is Coffee Superfood Renewing Facial Exfoliator, and we've got 30 mils here. I've tried this before and it's just a little bit too harsh for me, so I am going to be passing this on. Actually, I'm not going to open it because they do, Dr. Botanicals specifically say that once you open their products, you've got 6 months to use them, or else you have to throw them all away because they're all completely natural and fresh, etc. So no, I know I don't like that. I was going to show you, but yeah, it's just a little bit too harsh for my face. But as a body scrub though, there's nothing wrong with a body scrub at all. I do love coffee scrubs. I love the scent of coffee scrubs. The next item in the box is a mask, and this is by Milanese. I don't know, Design of Natural Skincare, and this is a vitamin A, E and finger lime morning mask. It's an antioxidant vitamin mask. Ooh, it's not a sheet mask by the feel of it. Oh, it just looks like cream. But can you see in there? Yeah. No smell. It's an Italian brand. There's 15 mils in here. It says creamy mask that contains vitamin A, E and lime, caviar and nourishing effect. Thanks to its ingredients, it has an antioxidant and regenerating action, protecting the skin against free radicals formed by the exposure to UV rays, pollution and smoke. For a skin that appears soft, compact and illuminated, suitable for dry and dull skins, apply a thick layer onto clean face and neck, leave on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water or use cotton pads. Avoid direct contact with eyes. It's got a face mask there. And then lastly, a product I'm really excited about actually because I don't have one of these. It's a gel eyeliner and it's in dark brown. This is by a brand called Blink. Again, a new brand for me. This is Blink gel eyeliner, and yeah, I'll just show you the outer packaging and I'll open it up. See what it looks like inside. This is a cruelty-free brand. It says Blink gel eyeliner is ultra long wearing with a creamy texture that delivers effortless glide on application. Expect an intense matte finish colour payoff that is smudge proof, flake proof and sweat proof. Count on it to keep up with your life at your pace. So that's what it looks like there. So that's nice. Yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. So those are all the products inside my first box. I've got a face mask, I've got a face exfoliator, I've got a facial serum, and I've got a dark brown gel eyeliner. Okay, so that was box number 1. Now on to box number 2. Give you a sneak peek. Got the card, thank you card. And these are the products in box number 2. Exactly the same as box number 1. How odd. How odd. Was it a mistake that they sent me 2? As I said, I'm new to Agora, so I haven't had much experience with them at all. If any of you have gone for a treat box, please let me know what you received and whether you received 2 boxes of the same products or whether it's a mistake. Maybe I was only supposed to get the 1 box, but they sent me 2. I don't know, it is just really bizarre, isn't it? Absolutely bizarre. So I'm going to put them all together in a box, the Agora box that it came in, perfect size actually, and I'm going to add a few more extra products in there, and I'm going to do a giveaway on Facebook at some point. I've got a giveaway with Toil, a subscription box at the moment. I've got a giveaway on my YouTube channel to win a April rocker box. I've got a giveaway on my Instagram page to win one of 3 glossy boxes, plus I've got a giveaway running for my YouTube members as well. So I've got a lot of giveaways at the moment, so I think I'll wait until they're all finished and then do like a big box to do a giveaway on my Facebook page. So those are my products from this month's Agoras. treat box. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you love these type of videos, if you'd like me to save up credits to take out more treat boxes, or mega treat boxes they're called, or if you'd like to see a monthly mystery skincare box or monthly mystery makeup box, which I unboxed last month. Yeah, please let me know down below and I'll see what I can do. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.